Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make some smothered pork chops. So let's get into the ingredients.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having it place on earth, take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With you having it place on earth, take you there.
Hey guys, here are the ingredients we will be needing for today's smothered pork chops. Yes, I only got 3 thin sliced cut pork chops there, some flour and salt. So let's get into the video. Be right back. Okay guys, so I have all our seasoning in our flour here, and so all we're gonna do is just start blending in, get everything married together. And for me, I need to see that my flour is fully seasoned, which you can see it is. But you want to make sure all of it is blended well, because that's where our flavors is going to come in at, okay? So I'm just going to take a little dish here and just scoop some out. Right? Probably don't need that much, but it's okay. So I have some kosher salt there. Our pork chops has been washed, cleaned, trimmed, and I'm just going to lightly season them on both sides with kosher salt. Set them aside and put them in the fridge for about 2 hours or an hour. Okay, so we have our avocado oil in there in the pan. We're just going to start cooking down our onions till they're translucent, and then we'll remove them and then add a little bit more oil to start searing our pork chops. We're just going to brown them on each side, okay guys? That's all we want to do. Let's get our onions cooked. And I'll be right back. Alright, we are ready to remove our onions. Okay guys? And then we're going to go ahead and add a little bit more oil to the pan and go ahead and get our pork chops in here. So our pork chops is in our seasoned flour. So we're going to go ahead and coat them, set them to the side, and then get to frying. We already coated in our flour our pork chops. Okay, so let's get them in a pan and let's get them browned up. They're thin, so we won't need to cook them long. Probably about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, okay? And then we'll remove them and start working on our gravy. Alright guys, we're going to return our onions into the mix, and we're going to get all that goodness at the bottom of the pan. That's what the onions do. The acid from the onions is going to get out all of that good stuff from the bottom of the pan. Our seasoned flour, let's get it in there. More, and then we're going to stir until it's like a paste. Okay guys, I'm going to add in that chicken bouillon and add the rest of the chicken broth a little at a time. Alright y'all, so we're going to let our gravy smother these pork chops and let it cook down for about 10 minutes and I'll be back. I like a dark gravy, so. Alright guys, we are ready to eat. Yes. Let's add some more of this gravy on here. That rice, making a mess. And yeah, there we go. Smothered pork chops. I like my gravy dark. I don't know about you guys, but I do. Let's wipe this off. And there you have it. Smothered pork chops, baby. Don't that look delicious, guys? Ooh-wee. Look at that. Delicious. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every last one of you guys. And please give me a thumbs up and share me out. And subscribe to the channel so you can learn about some more delicious meals and other things. So, as I always say, I love you, stay blessed, and peace out. Later. Don't forget to check out my last video.